Welcome to Clinical Lens, your gateway to understanding health and the future of medicine. Today, we explore how artificial intelligence is transforming diagnostics and decision-making in healthcare. From smart algorithms to predictive tools, AI is changing how doctors diagnose, treat, and care. AI-powered diagnostics use algorithms to analyze medical data and suggest possible conditions. It interprets X-rays, blood tests, and even voice-recorded symptoms with surprising precision. AI can read pathology slides, interpret genetic markers, and predict diseases before symptoms arise. It doesn't replace doctors, but gives them deeper insight, faster and more reliably. At its core, AI helps doctors make better decisions, especially in complex or high-risk cases. Now let's look at how clinical decision support systems bring all this to life. CDSS stands for Clinical Decision Support System, a digital assistant for healthcare providers. It offers drug interaction alerts, diagnostic help, and treatment recommendations in real time. With AI, CDSS can personalize guidance using a patient's history, genetics, and lifestyle. CDSS helps reduce errors and speeds up care, especially in emergency rooms and rural clinics. By learning from millions of cases, CDSS helps physicians make evidence-based decisions. But how exactly does AI work behind the scenes? Let's break that down. AI begins with data, scans, lab results, electronic records, and even wearable sensors. Supervised learning trains on labeled data, like distinguishing cancerous versus non-cancerous cells. NLP extracts meaning from unstructured notes, like doctor's observations or discharge summaries. The system outputs a risk score, diagnosis suggestion, or next step instantly. This output supports, not replaces, human judgment, ensuring safer care decisions. But how does this translate into real-world practice? Let's see. In radiology, AI detects breast cancer, brain bleeds, and lung nodules faster than humans. In pathology, AI scans slides to spot cancer, tuberculosis, and autoimmune diseases instantly. In cardiology, AI reads ECGs to detect arrhythmias, some used in devices like the Apple Watch. EchoGo and similar tools analyze heart function, offering quick insight for cardiologists. In oncology, AI personalizes treatments based on tumor genetics and patient history. Now that you've seen how it works, why is AI making such a difference? AI boosts speed, especially vital in emergencies like strokes, where minutes matter. It improves accuracy. AI customizes care, factoring in your genes, lifestyle, and conditions for better outcomes. It automates routine tasks. Poor or biased data can lead to faulty technology has its limitations. Patient privacy must be protected. AI is no exception. AI systems must comply with strict data laws. Integration into hospital systems isn't always easy, especially with older software. If AI makes a mistake, who is liable?
AI diagnostics are reshaping medicine. Faster, smarter, yet still human. Understanding it? At Clinical Lens, we make medicine simple and visual. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay curious, stay healthy. See you in the next masterclass.